Congressional Republicans are once again trying to repeal Proposition 12, the strongest animal welfare law in the country. But this time, some conservatives are pushing back. So what's going on here? Prop 12 is a California law that prohibits the extreme confinement of breeding pigs, egg-laying hens, and veal calves in the state. It also requires all meat and eggs that are sold in California to be Proposition 12 compliant, even if they were produced out of state. And because California is such a huge market, this second part of the law has caused many out-of-state and even foreign producers to abide by Proposition 12's space requirements. The Pork Producers Council and the American Farm Bureau Federation sued to overturn Proposition 12, even though many individual pork farmers support the law, since it allows them to sell Prop 12 compliant products at a premium to welfare-minded customers. After the Supreme Court upheld the law, certain congressional Republicans have still tried to scrap it via legislation. The latest version of that legislation is the recently introduced Food Security and Farm Protection Act, which would repeal not only Proposition 12, but also more than 1,000 other state agricultural laws. It's no surprise that animal welfare advocates want to keep Proposition 12 on the books. But so do a lot of conservatives, including some congressional Republicans. These Republicans see attempts to repeal Proposition 12 as a classic example of the federal government infringing on states' rights. After all, it's a state law that was overwhelmingly approved by California voters. Other conservatives support Proposition 12 because they see it as a bulwark against foreign influence in American agriculture. The largest pork producer in America is Smithfield Foods, which is owned by a Chinese company. Some Republicans feel that scrapping Proposition 12 would allow China to expand its influence and presence in American farmland, which they do not want. Proposition 12 has been under attack since before it even passed. In general, Republicans have been leading these attacks. But depending on how things shake out, it could be Republicans who end up saving it.